Okie dokie. Today we are talking about the research assignment, and this is on 9/23 assignment, Wednesday. So you should have already done the 5 things from your culture writing assignment, and I had an example there. Mine was about family. So the assignment for research, which again is in the week 2 folder, is for you to research another culture in relation to the topic that you wrote about for the 5 things about my culture. So for me, I wrote about my family. So I'm going to research family in another culture. I chose Russia. So I have 2 sources here. One is a website and one is a video, all about what it's like to grow up in a family in Russia. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find 2 sources about your topic. And I would like you to try and find 2 different sources, a website and a video, or maybe it's a picture and a video, but try and find 2 different modes of media for your sources. Second, you're going to take some notes as you read or watch your sources about your topic, because I'm going to ask you, what did you learn about family in Russia? Or what did you learn about football in Ethiopia? What did you learn about holiday traditions in China? Depending on what your topic was. So third, you are going to do a video response where I want to see your face and I want to hear your voice, and you're going to answer the questions. What did you learn about your topic from your 2 sources? In other words, what did I learn about family in Russia? This is the part that you get a grade on, the what did you learn part from your 2 sources. So then you're going to attach your video to this assignment, and if you need help doing that, email me and let me know and I can show you how to do that. But instead of hitting the when you hit the submit button, just make sure you hit the little video recorder button, and you can just talk about what you learned on your topic in this other culture. And again, it's due Sunday before 10 p.m.